Hello, it is Funny Frog here with, what's your YouTube name?
Hello, this is Materbug here.
Yeah, so please check out his channel. What's his name again?
Materbug.
Materbug. Yeah, so I am going to be riding a bike and doing tricks. Well, this is my first time posting these on YouTube.
Funny Hog.
What's your name?
Funny Hog.
Funny?
You're Funny Hog, not Funny Frog.
I'm Funny Frog. I'm Funny Frog!
Hog.
Moose Milk. I love Unspeakable Gaming. Moose Milk. Moose Milk.
Please subscribe to All Those World.
And Moose Milk. Moose Milk.
Go.
Moose Crab! Okay, we are going to be videoing this. So here we go. Woo! This is so epic! I'm gonna jump. Ah, that hit my head. Woo! Got a curve. Watch this. Curve! Do you lift, bro? Do you even lift, bro? Well, I have no clue how long this video is gonna last. Video! I'm Video Man. I'm Video Man. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. I'm Video Man. Whee!
I have no brakes.
He has no brakes. He actually has brakes. He has to pull his pedals back. Unlike me. I just do it and nothing happens. Except for a weird noise, which I like to do. It is fun. A lot of exercise. I was gonna ride my skateboard, but lift my helmet, and I have to ride my skateboard with my helmet. Parents' rules. I'm only 10 year old. I'm gonna be like an 11-year-old in like 5 months. About to be in the 5th grade in 2 weeks. Call me Funny Frog and I'll wait. Dude, you know once I get like 137 videos, I'm gonna be super famous.
Funny Frog.
Yay!
Funny Frog.
Woo! Hey, do you know Puppy Learn the Mouse?
Frog.
Do you know Puppy Learn the Mouse?
Frog.
Do you?
Frog.
I will hit you with a bike.
Frog. Yes, I know.
You do?
I know.
You do know him?
Yes.
Then you know this.
What?
Do you even lift, bro?
No, I don't.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Mud puddle again.
Okay. Mudding, we're going mudding. Is that poop in the ground? No, it's just 2 pine cones aligned separately. It looks like turds.
I'm winning.
Oh, no, you aren't.
No.
I am way faster than you, bro. I know, what are you doing? Oh, the bunny's wrapped. The bunny's back. Yeah, I gotta edit this video and make it slow-mo when I hit that puddle. We didn't skim. Oh, yeah, we actually did skim the water. We didn't go as deep. Yeah.
Give me your phone in the video. You didn't see you skimming. Let's do that. Hold on.
Okay. Just point this camera towards me.
Okay, so you're gonna point it at the. So
Don't take it out.
Start at the mailbox, okay?
Yeah, let's start at the mailbox. You can talk. Don't worry.
He's gonna start at the mailbox way the heck up there.
Oh,
Our mailbox. Hey guys, I'm the awesome weirdo. You know, today. Yep. You know he is. He is like 5-star restaurant. There he is. Turn around like an awesome turd face. Turd face. He is. Oh, he's gonna get some good spree. He's gonna go whoa and skim that water right there. Here he comes. I'm gonna get it. Ground view. Ground view. Ground view. Oh, he's skimmed. Here he goes. Oh, he did. You did perfect. You skimmed right over it. Yeah. And you did the deep. And look, you did the deep part too. Look. He did the deep part. He skimmed this part right here. Well, somewhat.
Skimmed it. Okay, let me see what's on there.
That's where you go right over the top of the water.
Yeah, so easy to record.
I laid down on the ground so you can get a ground view.
I think this video is going to be epic.
Like, look where you skimmed. Look at all the water splashed out.
I'm driving in the water. Well, next video.
This skateboard earlier, that's about as far as he got.
But I did.
About the 500.
But once I got so fast that I actually did skim the water once on my skateboard. Right?
And when he goes over it looks like a flipping water tornado going up under there.
Yeah, whirlpool. Learn your names, bro. Mamma mia. Dude, this video is gonna be a big hit. This video is gonna be a big hit.
Yeah.
We gotta watch it before we post it though.
Guys, like and
Subscribe.
Please.
Yes. Burmater Bug, Unspeakable Gaming, Auto's World, Popular MMOs, Gaming with Jen, and every person that has.
Oh, and also subscribe to Kazzy, please.
Who's Kazzy?
His friend.
Oh, and Moosecraft.
And Leo, his brother.
Yeah. Oh, and Steven Shearer and Carter Shearer, brothers. They're really cool. I suggest watching. Which video is my favorite? Dude, stop. That's probably the backflip challenge.
Hey, look. Wait, you stay right there, park right there in the ditch.
Nah.
I'm going to come down through here and do a drift.
Oh, I want to drift him.
I'm doing it. You always,
Okay.
You always have to do the drift.
Okay, you'll drift and I'll drift with it on me. So they can get an out version and an in version. He's gonna drift. I think I skimmed myself.
Look, you go to the top of the hill, or you can come down through here and do it really good, okay?
No, you don't drift. All you do is like skim. I'll show you how to drift. Mamma mia. Get a good view. I'm gonna get on the ground like him. Look at the end. Look at him. Bite me. Gonna eat you. Oh goodness. That's stuff on my camera. Okay, going. Hey guys.